them out and then walks. Steps. Come here. Come on. Come here, Maggie. She's making that face like she's gonna throw up. Come here. Come on. I don't think she likes it. Oh, God.
Oh.
I freaking knew it. Come on, Maggie. Oh, God. Don't step in it. Maggie, stop! Stop! Maggie!
This is terrible.
You are cleaning all of this up.
Sister, why me?
Because I cleaned up the last one. Come on, Maggie.